Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time that you watch this video. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen helps you connect with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see the energies coming to me, especially if I have a major decision to make. I'm amazed with the accuracy and the clarity that I get from my favorite advisor. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen because as a new customer, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Cancer, let's see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 31, 2024. Extended yan. So, yung link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto niyo mag-book for a reading. Okay, Cancer, let's see changes in the next 6 months for you. Here and now. Okay. So actually, in the next 6 months, ang magiging importante sa inyo ay yung present moment ninyo. Okay? Kung ano nangyari sa past, tapos na yon, lessons learned, charge to experience, at kung ano man yung future, hindi nyo masyadong paplanuhin yan. No? Magpo-focus lang kayo sa present moment every day. Ayan. Kung ano yung pwede nyong magawa para mas maging kumbaga maging fulfilling sa inyo ang inyong future. Kasi nagsisimula yan sa present moment. Okay? Yes, go the distance. I feel like meron kang mag-e-exert ka ng maraming effort, no, in the next 6 months para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. Pero worth it naman to. Yun nga lang, medyo mahirap siya. Oo. At least buo yung loob mo, malakas yung loob mo na i-pursue yan. Okay? Tingnan natin saan yan, anong area of life. Uy, para sa sarili mo to. Oo. Personal mong mga goal sa buhay. Oo. First house is about yourself, your physical body. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring in the next 6 months, may goal kayo na maging healthy, no? Yung iba, magpapataba. Yung iba, magpapapayat, no? So, kung ano man yung plans ninyo para mas maging healthy kayo, healthy and fit, ayan, in the next 6 months, yan yung mga babaguhin ninyo. Let's see what else. You have the young energy. So, this is taking action. Oo, kung yung iba sa inyo medyo nag-procrastinate ng mga nakaraan in the next 6 months, mas action-oriented kayo, no? Yung tipong hindi kayo magbababad sa kakaisip-isip lang, kakaplano-plano lang. You will take that step. You will take that action. Kasi, ang isang idea will always be an idea until you apply action. Or you put action into it. So, saka lang siya magiging realistic. Semi-sextile. So, this is encouragement. Meron kang mga bagay na makikita mo yung mga potential ng mga bagay-bagay in the next 6 months. Example, relationship. So, makikita mo yung potential ng relationship mo sa isang romantic partner, sa isang kaibigan, or even sa business or career. So, kumbaga, once you see the potential, ayun na yung time na i-develop mo na yun para mas lalong lumakas, di ba? You also have energy ng Capricorn, which is the boss. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong plano magnegosyo in the next 6 months, this will happen. Kung talagang pagsisikapan ninyo. Kung yan talagang inyong ambition. And energy ng Capricorn is also about discipline. So, mas magiging disiplinado kayo. Mountain. Ayan. Alignment to eh. Conviction and taking action. So, alam mo talaga kung saan ka papunta, no? Alam mo yung direction na gusto mong tahakin at alam mo rin na hindi siya madali. So, paghahandaan mo yan para makapag-cross ka dyan sa mountain na yan at makonquer mo yung mountain na yan. 'Di ba? Yung iba sa inyo, literal na maaring in the next 6 months, mahihilig kayo sa mountaineering, no? Pag-akyat-akyat ng bundok or one with nature. That's going to be very helpful sa iyo, no? Sa iyong inner self, sa iyong soul. You also have the energy ng spider. So, itong spider is about trust. Pagtitiwala sa sarili mo. And this is being precise. Alam mo yung detail-oriented, na tipong meron kang project, talagang lahat ng maliliit na detalye, pag-aaralan mo, isusulat mo. Unlike yung iba, makagawa lang tapos na, 'di ba? So for you, you want a beautiful, functional result, no? Oo. So you are also aligning yourself to your life's purpose. And also innovation. So talagang iba sa inyo, meron kayong dinedevelop na skill, talento, galing, abilidad, no? Na in the next 6 months ay magiging expert kayo dyan. Let's see, tinan pa natin. Cancer, what's coming to you in the next 6 months? You have the 9 of Cups. Oh, Ace of Wands. Wish fulfillment, oh. Kung meron kayong wish na mag-travel in the next 6 months, ayan, matutupad daw yan. And Ace of Wands is the energy of taking action. This is a new beginning. Exciting new beginning. Yung iba, may excite kayo sa bago nyong business, sa bago nyong relationship. Actually, nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo, no, with the Judgment card. Yung alam mo yung mga kakulangan mo, alam mo yung kahinaan mo, and also alam mo rin yung lakas mo. So ngayon, you are working on with your inaayos mo yung kahinaan mo para magamit mo rin yan to your advantage. You have the 5 of Swords. Yung iba, mas magiging competitive in the next 6 months, no? Yun nga lang, mas maganda pa rin na fair, no? Pantay ang iyong, pagpapatas ang laban, ganon. Para mas maganda ang magiging resulta, authentic. Sa iba sa inyo, will also focus on a business, a stable business, na hindi naman siya ganon kalakihan, pero tuloy-tuloy yung income, no? Pwedeng, halimbawa, may tindahan ka, tas maganda naman yung pwesto ng tindahan mo. So, sa una, medyo maliit pa yung income kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang. But eventually, malaki yung potential niya na mag-grow. You have the Strength card. Importante, lakas ng loob. The Magician. Gemini, Virgo energy. You also have the Leo energy and the Scorpio energy. So, the Magician is knowing what you can do, no? Alam mo kung ano yung kakayanan mo. And mas lalo mo pang madidiscover yung iba mo pang talento, abilities kasi mas mag-open ka sa mga pwede mo pang i-explore sa buhay, no? Even in your career, even in your jobs. So, ano man tong i-explore mo, pagyamanin mo, no? Mas lalo mo tong maaayos dahil meron kang lakas ng loob na ipagpatuloy yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!